Chapter 11 Measures. Let me see the first lesson, multiplication. Multiplying without regrouping. Look at the first problem. What is the total weight of the three parcels? First parcel's weight is 1 kg 200 gram. Second parcel's weight is 1 kg 200 gram. Third parcel's weight is 1 kg 200 gram. So all the three parcels having the weight of 1 kg 200 gram. So how many parcels are there? 3 parcels. 3 parcels having the same weight. So we have to multiply 1 kg 200 gram with 3. 1 kg 200 gram into 3 is equal to, we cannot multiply it directly for gram and kilogram. So we have to separate the kilogram and gram and we have to multiply with 3 separately. Let me multiply with 1 kg. 1 kg into 3. 1 kg into 3 is equal to 3 kg. Now multiply 200 gram with 3. 200 gram into 3 is equal to 3 zeros are 0. Again 3 zeros are 0. Then 3 twos are 6. Therefore we will get 600 gram by multiplying 200 gram into 3. Therefore we have to combine these two together. 1 kg 200 gram into 3 is equal to 3 kg 600 gram. Okay. Therefore the total weight of 3 parcels is 3 kg 600 gram. Multiply 1 liter 80 milliliters by 5. We have to multiply 1 liter 80 milliliter by 5, right? So we cannot multiply it directly. So we have to separate liter and milliliter separately and we have to multiply with 5. So 1 liter into 5. 1 liter into 5 is equal to 5 liter. Then multiply with milliliter. 80 milliliter into 5 is equal to 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. Therefore we will get 400 milligram for 80 milliliter into 5. Now we have to combine these two values, these two answers together, which means 1 liter 80 milliliter into 5 is equal to 5 liter 400 milliliter. Next topic is multiplying with regrouping. Previously we have done multiplying without regrouping for measures. Now we are going to use multiplying with regrouping for measures. Listen to the problem. The distance around a track in a park was 1 kilometer 300 meters. Jay ran round the track 4 times. How far did he run? So what was the distance given? 1 kilometer 300 meter. Jay ran round the track for how many times? 4 times. So we have to multiply 1 kilometer 300 meters with 4 times. Okay. Now we have to separate kilometer and meter to multiply with 4. So 1 kilometer into 4. 1 kilometer into 4 is equal to 1 4s are 4. So 4 kilometer. 1 kilometer into 4 is equal to 4 kilometer. Multiply 300 meter with 4. So 4 zeros are 0. Again 4 zeros are 0. Then 4 3s are 12. Therefore we got 1200 meter by multiplying 300 meter with 4. So we got two answers, right? For this multiplication we got the answer as 4 kilometer 1200 meter. 4 kilometer 1200 meter. 1200 meter. If the meter reaches 1000, then 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So here 1200 meter is there. We can separate this as 1000 meter plus 200 meter. We have to separate it. 1000 meter plus 200 meter. So instead of 1000 meter we can change it as 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and we have to write 200 meter as it is. Therefore 1200 meter is equal to 1 kilometer 200 meter. Now we have to add this with 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer plus 1 kilometer is equal to 5 kilometer, and we got the remaining as 200 meter from 1200 meter. So we have to write 200 meter as it is. Therefore we got 5 kilometer 200 meter. Next, Alka filled an empty tank completely with 5 buckets of water. Each bucket contains 2 liter 400 milliliter of water. What was the capacity of the tank? Look at here. Alka filled an empty tank with how many buckets of water? 5 buckets of water. Each bucket contains how many liters? 2 liters 400 milliliters of water. Each bucket contains 2 liters 400 milliliters of water. So we have 5 buckets, right? To fill the tank we need 5 buckets. To fill the tank we need 5 buckets of water. So 5 into 2 liter 400 milliliter of water. We have to multiply it. So we have to multiply separately as we have done earlier. 2 liter into 5, then 400 milliliter into 5 separately. So 5 2s are 10. So we got 10 liter. Here 5 zeros are 0. 5 second 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 4s are 20. So we got 2000 milliliter. Look at here. 10 liter for 2 liter into 5. 2000 milliliter for 400 milliliter into 5. So we have to combine this together, right? So what will we get? 10 liter 2000 milliliter. 10 liter 2000 milliliter. Now right here 10 liter 2000 milliliter. Now we have to convert this into liter. Convert this into liter. How we have to convert? Because we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 2000 milliliter is equal to 2 liter. So we have to add 2 liter instead of 2000 milliliter. Then we will get 10 liter plus 2 liter, 12 liter. We got the answer as 12 liter. Therefore the capacity of the tank was 12 liters. See the problem which is given in Let's Do part. Multiply 1 meter 50 centimeters by 4. So 1 meter 50 centimeter should be multiplied with 4. We have to multiply separately. So 1 meter into 4 is equal to 4 meter. 50 centimeter into 4 is equal to 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. So 200 centimeter. We got the answer as 200 centimeter. Here we have to write it as, after multiplying separately we have to combine together. So 4 meter 200 centimeter. As we know that already 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. So instead of 200 centimeter we have to write it as 2 meter. Therefore for 200 centimeter we have to write as 2 meter. Now we have to add meter values together. 4 meter plus 2 meter is equal to 6 meter. Next, division. Dividing without regrouping. The total weight of 5 similar packets of flour is 5 kilograms 650 grams. Find the weight of each packet of flour. We need each packet of flour. So if we divide this 5 kilograms 650 gram by 5, then we will get each packet of flour. We find the weight of each packet of flour. So we have to divide it. For this also, as we have done in multiplication, we have to divide it separately. 5 kg divided by 5, 650 gram divided by 5. Separately, we have to divide it separately. So 5 kg divided by 5 is equal to 1, because 5 divided by 5 is 1 kg. 650 divided by 5 is equal to, we have to do division. Okay. $650 divided by 5. 1 5s are 5. If you take 2 times, 2 5s are 10. 10 is more than 6, so we should not take 2 times. So 1 5s are 5. Subtract this. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down 5. At each time we have to bring down one value from dividend. Okay. Next 15 is there. So how many times we will get 15 from 5 table? 3 times. 5 3s are 15. Now we have to subtract this. Then we will get the answer as 0. Again we have one more number in dividend. So we have to bring down that 0. So how many times we will get 0 by using 5 table? 0 times only. 0 5s are 0 into 5s are 0. Now subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0. Therefore we got the answer as 130 gram. Therefore we got the answer as 130 gram. Now combine these two together. 1 kg 130 gram. The weight of each packet of flour is 1 kg. 1 kg 130 grams. So next method, dividing with regrouping. Jane cut a ribbon 5 meters 20 centimeters long into 4 equal parts. We have to divide this value, this measurement into 4 equal parts. We have to divide this measurement into 4 equal pieces. What was the length of each piece of ribbon? If we divide this by 4, then we will get the length of each piece of ribbon. Divided 5 meter 20 centimeter by 4. Before dividing it, we have to take 1 meter away from 5 meter. We have to subtract 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 meter. Why we are subtracting like this? Because we are going to divide it by 4, right? So if we have 4 meter over here, then it is easy for us to divide it. So I have taken 1 meter away from 5 meter. Then we will get 4 meter in this place. Then what about this 1 meter? This 1 meter is added with 20 centimeter. We already know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this 1 meter value is converted as 100 centimeter. We have to add this with 20 centimeter. 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 centimeter. So therefore 5 meter 20 centimeter can be converted as 4 meter 120 centimeter. See here, in this way we have to do it. Okay, now the division part is very easy for us. 4 meter 120 centimeter is divided by 4 separately. See here, we have to divide it by 4 like this. 4 meter divided by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. 120 centimeter divided by 4 is equal to, how many times we will get 120 by 4 table? 30 times. 30 into 4s are 120. So we got the answer as 30 by dividing 120 by 4. Okay, so we got the answer as 1 meter 30 centimeter. This is the right answer for this problem. The length of each piece of ribbon was 1 meter 30 centimeters. Divide 4 kilograms 300 grams by 5. Here we have to divide this weight by 5. So we have to keep 7 kilogram as 5 kilogram. So what we have to do? We have to take away 2 kilogram from 7 kilogram. So 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 kilogram. Then what about this 2 kilogram? We have to convert 2 kilogram as 2000 gram. We already know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram. 7 kilogram is converted as 5 kg, 5 kilogram. Then we got separately. We have taken 2 separately, right? 2 kilograms separately, right? So 2 kilogram is converted to 2000 gram. We have to add this 2000 gram with 300 gram. So we will get 2000 plus 300 is equal to 2300 gram. So we got the answer as 5 kilogram 2300 gram here. Okay. Now we have to divide by 5 separately. Okay. 5 kg divided by 5 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. 2300 gram divided by 5 is divided. 2300 divided by 5. How many times we will get 23? 4 times. 5 4s are 20. If we take 5 times, we will get 25. 5 5s are 25. So 25 is greater than 23. So we cannot take 5 times. So we have to take 4 times only. Subtract this, then we will get 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring down 0. How many times we will get 30? 5 6 are 30. Subtract this again. 30 minus 30 is 0. Again we have to bring down one more 0. How many times we will get 0? 0 times. 0 5s are 0. Therefore, we got the answer as 460. 460 gram. Therefore, after dividing 5 kg 2300 gram by 5, we got the answer as 1 kg 460 gram. Divide 3 kilometers 500 meters by 2. We have to divide this with 2. Here 2 is given for division. So we have to convert 3 kilometer as 2 kilometer. So how we have to do? Subtract 1 kilometer from 3 kilometer. So 3 minus 1 is 2 kilometer. So we got 2 kilometer. Remaining how much? Here 500 meter is there. We have taken away 1 kilometer, right? So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we have to add this 1000 with 500 meter. So 1000 plus 500, 1000 plus 500 meter is equal to 1500 meter. Here we got the answer as 1500 meter. Now we have to divide this, right? Here 1500 meter. So divide the value separately. 2 kilometer divided by 2 is 1 kilometer. 1500 meter divided by 2 is, we have to divide it. Use division method. 1500 divided by 2. How many times we will get 15? 7 2s are 14. If we take 8 times, we will get 16. 16 is more than 15. So we cannot take 8 times. So we have to take only 7 times. 7 2s are 14. Subtract this, we will get 1. Now bring down 0. How many times we will get 10? 5 times. So subtract this. 10 minus 10 is 0. Again bring down one more 0. How many times we will get 0? 0 2s are 0. So we have to complete. We have to stop up to this. Therefore we got the answer 750. 750 meter. After dividing this by 2, we got the answer as 1 kilometer 750 meter. Here next topic is dividing by changing compound units to a smaller unit. So here what we are going to do, the bigger unit should be changed into a smaller unit. Okay, let me see the problem. Divide 5 kilogram 600 gram by 7. Here kilogram is the compound unit, with smaller unit is also given. So we have to convert kilogram into gram. Okay, so 5 kilogram is equal to how much? Already we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, here 5 kilogram is there. So if we take as 5 kilogram, then we will get multiply with 5. 1 5s are 5 means we have to multiply with 5. 5000 into 5, 5000. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 5 kilogram is equal to 5000 gram. So what we have to write instead of 5 kilogram? 5000 gram. So we have to add 5000 gram with 600 gram. We will get the answer as 5600 gram. We have to divide this 5600 gram by 7. Okay. So how many times we will get 7? How many times we will get 56 from 7 table? 8 times. 8 sevens are 56. So we will get the answer as 800. 800 into 7 is 5600. So if you divide this value by 7, then we will get the answer as 800 gram. Therefore, converting the compound unit into smaller unit, then we done a division over here. It is very easy for us to find the value by using division method. Mark poured 3 liters 200 milliliters of milk equally into 8 glasses. What was the volume of milk in each glass? Here what we have to do? Mark poured how many liters of milk? 3 liters 200 milliliters of milk. We have to divide it into 8 glasses. Okay. So first we have to express this compound unit liter into milliliters. Compound unit to smaller unit. Liter to milliliter. So first step is conversion of compound unit into smaller unit. Here 3 liter is there. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. So instead of 3 liter we have to write it as 3000 milliliter. Okay. Now we have to add 200 milliliter with 3000 milliliter. Then we will get the answer as 3200 milliliter. After converting compound unit into smaller unit, we have to divide it by 8. So divide 3200 milliliter by 8. Then what will we get? How many times we will get 32 by using 8th table? 4 8s are 32. So we have to write 4. Here you have 2 more zeros. We have to write it as it is. So 400 into 8 is equal to 3200 milliliter. 400 milliliter. Okay. Therefore the volume of milk in each glass was 400 milliliter.
Hope you all understood the concept. Before doing your homework problems, watch the video completely, then do it. Thank you, my dear kids.